If you do what I'm going to say in this video today, you'll make that woman, that cat, that girl addicted to you. I'm Larissa Lencar. I'm a relationship coach, and I specialize in Conquest. Here on this channel, you drink from the source because I teach you what makes us women feel mentally connected, mentally attracted to a man, and sexually involved with him. So, let's get started. What you're going to do here will make that woman, that cat, really addicted to you. So, you have to be careful with this because it will generate a strong connection with her. Normally, when a man goes to talk to a woman, he has a lot on his mind, like showing off his confidence, knowing how to lead the conversation, and having a result-oriented mentality. This ends up making him anxious. Instead of arriving with a calm mindset, having a pleasant conversation with her, he comes with a result-oriented mindset, thinking I need to win her over, I need to conquer her or get her phone number. This makes him anxious, and he doesn't have the right mindset for the moment. And because he has this on his mind, I need to show off my confidence, I'm not afraid, he ends up committing the error of talking too much in the initial conversation. So, the first tip to make that woman addicted to you is to speak calmly, slowly, and pause while looking at her. The more you speak calmly, the more your tone of voice will be deeper, which is more attractive to women. Now, if you want to make that woman really addicted to you, the second thing you need to do is use the function of listening, not speaking. You should listen to her much more than you speak. The proportion should be around 70% listening and 30% speaking. This has a scientific basis because the function of listening increases a man's testosterone levels. Every time a man is attentive and listening, his testosterone levels increase gradually. And when a woman speaks, it elevates her estrogen and oxytocin levels, which is a hormone linked to pleasure. So, when she speaks and you really listen, she'll feel more pleasure in the conversation. But it's essential to really listen and not pretend to be listening while your mind is racing with thoughts. Don't be afraid of silences. If there are small gaps, keep looking at her. Focus on really listening to what she's saying because when you listen, you create a powerful connection with her, which is what we call rapport. Rapport is when you're connected in a conversation so deeply that you create a strong emotional connection. Because it's like you understand each other profoundly, and she sees that you understand her. Later, when she notices that you remembered small things she said, she'll see you as someone really connected to her. It's not enough to pretend to be paying attention. You really need to pay attention. But of course, it's not just about listening. You also need to speak, give your opinions, talk about what she said, and share some of your stories. But listen much more than you speak. This will give her a lot of pleasure in the conversation, and she'll feel really connected to you. If you get distracted at some point, a strategy you can use is to look at her deeply and say, wait, go back to what you said so I can understand better. Then she'll see that you're really paying attention and wanting to understand her. And if you want to know what other characteristics make a woman attracted to you, I've already recorded a video about it that I'll put here somewhere. If you liked this video and it generated value for you, click here to help me, because then YouTube understands that this content is relevant, and it will distribute it to more people and help the channel grow so I can continue my work.